color changing headlights for your 2016 to 2019 Tacoma are finally here. Introducing our multicolor LED DRL boards for the 2016 to 2019 Tacoma. These are OEM grade replacements that give you full RGBW color shifting right from your phone, as well as dozens of unique patterns and sequences from the included app. Now these are fully RGBW capable, meaning each board has separate white LEDs for a pure white running light when on the road. Now as you might expect with our multicolor LED boards, these are fully engineered, tested, and manufactured right here in St. Louis, Missouri. If you're interested in a unique look for your 2016 to 2019 Tacoma, but don't necessarily want multicolor, we have two other LED boards that add that turn signal functionality. First is our switchback option, which gives you a brilliant white running light that alternates with a crisp amber flasher. And then we have an amber only DRL LED board, which lights up in a brilliant amber light, again with that crisp amber flasher when using your turn signals or hazards. For more information on our multicolor LED boards and all the other DRL options we have for the 2016 to 2019 Tacoma, click the link below or use our dealer locator tool to find a dealer near you. Thanks for watching.